welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Uber driver login error. So as you can see, it was not proceeding. All you need to do is first try to force close your application and reopen it. If that fixes it, well done. But if it doesn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your app store. Then simply go ahead and search for the Uber driver application right over here, and now click on the application, and if there is an update, there's going to be a little blue update button right over here, so make sure that you are using the latest version of Uber driver application. The other thing you want to do is ensure that you have a fast internet connection. Try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, but you can also go ahead and turn on and turn off your airplane mode for a quick refresh. It is as simple as that. If none of those worked, then you want to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your application and restart your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.